On behalf of my government and the people of Somalia, I take this opportunity to send my sincere condolences to the Kenyan government and people, as well as families who have lost loved ones in the cowardly attack at the Westgate Mall in Nairobi, Kenya. The terror attack on September 21st spared no one, and those responsible must be held accountable. Undoubtedly, Al-Shabaab has been weakened. However, climates like that of this week reminds us that we are still have a difficult journey ahead of us. Military solution alone is not enough. Promotion of rule of law, greater regional cooperation, economic stability, and provision of public services are all key factors that complement the military efforts. My government is committed to address youth unemployment across the country. This provides Al-Shabaab a breeding ground to recruit and spread their destructive ideology. It's therefore essential to create educational and economic opportunities for youth.
Autant d'éléments qui constituent